says watermelon is just for summer snacking? Today, we're turning this juicy, refreshing fruit into the creamiest, dreamiest watermelon ice cream you've ever tasted. No ice cream maker needed. Trust me, this isn't your average sorbet. This is next level creamy, rich, and packed with real watermelon flavor. Let's make it. 4 cups fresh watermelon seedless, cubed 1 can 14 oz full-fat coconut milk chilled overnight. Cup sweetened condensed milk or maple syrup for vegan option 1 tsp lemon juice 1 tsp vanilla extract pinch of salt. First, chop up about 4 cups of seedless watermelon. Pro tip: freeze half of it for an extra creamy texture later. Now, toss everything into a blender. Frozen and fresh watermelon, coconut milk, sweetened condensed milk, lemon juice, vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Blend until silky smooth. Pour this gorgeous pink mixture into a freezer-safe container, cover it, and let it set for at least 6 hours. Overnight is best. Look at that texture. Creamy, scoopable, and packed with real watermelon flavor. No artificial taste here. Oh my goodness. It's sweet, tangy, and unbelievably refreshing. The coconut milk adds richness without overpowering the watermelon. This might just be my new summer obsession. Serve it in a cone. Top it with fresh mint or even add mini chocolate chips for a fun twist. The possibilities are endless. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a delicious dessert idea. See you next time.